So now let us see the probability of event not A. What does it mean? We knew that we called it A complement. That means if we have say 10 cards, say number 1 to 10, and if we want to pick some card and the event A is we are taking 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the experiment of drawing a card from deck of 10 cards, 1 to 10 cards. So all these events or all these occurrences are equally likely. That means the probability of each item or each outcome would be 1 by 10. See, 1 can be taken in 10 ways, means 1 can be only taken, it is unique, and there are 10 options. So when you pick it up, 1 can be taken only in 1 by 10th way. Our chance of coming 1 is 1 by 10th. Similarly, the discussion goes for 2, 4, 6 and 8. And if we add them, P2, P4, P6, P8, it is 2 by 5. Now, let us understand not A. We had a 1 to 10. We just remove 2, 4, 6, 8. And we are left with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. And this is the A complement or not A. So, probability of A complement is what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10. That means 1 by 6. How many are these? 6. So 1 by 6, 6 times. So this is 6 by 10. So this is 3 by 5. Okay, now we need to see that our previous answer was A was 2 by 5. So A complement is what? 1 minus 2 by 5. That is 3 by 5. Exactly what we got here. So PA dash is nothing but equal to 1 minus PA. Since we need to discuss it further, that A dash and A are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. That means A and A complement will never occur together, so the intersection between them is nothing, means empty. While if you combine A and not A, it will give you the sample space S. So take the probability of this. PA union A dash is equal to PS. So PA union A dash is PA plus PA dash. Let us take PA here. So PA dash becomes P naught A, which is actually equal to 1 minus PA. Let us see certain example. Now, you might be aware of the card play. So there are 52 cards in all. And the question is, one card is picked up from a well shuffled card. That means these cards are fair. And since each outcome is equally likely, we need to calculate the probability that the card will be a diamond. So, how many diamonds are there? Actually, there are 13 diamonds. In all, there are 13 diamonds. And since these are equally likely, we have 13 diamonds. In all, how many cards we have? 52. So, the probability of picking up the diamond is 13 by 52. What about not an ace? Here we will use complement. So not an ace. That means how many aces are there? There are 4 aces. The probability of picking up aces are 4 by 52. And not A means 1 minus this PB. If we PB, we say that it is, we assign it an even B. So this PB dash will be 1 minus PB. And PB is 4 by 52. That is 1 minus 1 by 13, that is 12 by 13. What about the C? The C is a black card, that is a club or a spade. So the black card, how many? Black cards are 13 and see the number of black cards 26, red card 26. So in all 52, these are black, these are red. So the if it denotes C as an event, card drawn is black card, then the number of elements in set C will be 26. 26B, 26 red. So the probability of C coming is 26 by 52, that is half. What about the black card? It will be again half. So this is half. Now, in the fourth one, we have to find out not a diamond. So diamond, what is the probability of diamond? 1 by 4. So not a diamond is simply 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay. And what about not a black card? we have found the black card. So 1 minus 26 by 52, that is 1 minus half, is the probability of this. Let us see it formally. See, this is P naught A. A was our event, card drawn is diamond. So A naught is card drawn is not a diamond. It is 1 minus card drawn is diamond. 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. And what about the event card drawn is not a black card? That is you want C dash. So it will be 1 minus PC. That was the card drawn is black. So 1 minus 1 by half is half. So the probability of not a black card is half. Next question is, you have a bag. This bag contains 4 red, 3 blue and 2 yellow. Okay, and the discs are similar in shape and size. Now the disc is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability of getting red? How many red are there? 4. How many in all? 9. So 4 by 9. How about blue? Getting a blue. This is 3. How many of these are there? 9. So 3 by 9 is the probability of getting blue. What about yellow? 2. In all 2 are yellow, and in totality they are 9. So 2 by 9 is the probability of getting yellow. What about not blue? What about not blue? Not blue is, we have found the blue. Okay, just found the blue. That is 3 by 9. So not blue is 1 minus 3 by 9. What about either red or yellow? So we have to find P, red and yellow. So red, yellow, P A union this B. You have to find this. So P A union, if yellow is say yellow is blue and C, we just take any of these. Okay, so let us take it blue or C. P, blue or C. Okay, so we have to combine these. P, B and second one. So PA plus PC, if you consider this to be red and this to be yellow. So just taking the question that red is this and yellow is this. And we know that we have found out PA as 4 by 9. And the PC was 1 by 3. So just combined it. That is 7 by 9. This is how we get the answer. Now the next question is, two students, Anil and Ashima, they appeared in examination. Anil, the probability of Anil will qualify the examination is 0.05. So let us take E as event of Anil, F as Ashima. So P is given as 0.05. This is the probability of A qualifying. Then Ashima, because it is given 0.10, so PF is 0.10. And also the probability they both are going to qualify, that is Anil and Ashima. So P E intersection F is 0.02, right? Now we have to find the probability that both Anil and Ashima will not qualify the examination. We can find out Anil and Ashima can qualify both and just subtract it from 1. This is also a possibility. Then at least one of them will not qualify the examination and only one of them will qualify the examination. So both Anil and Ashima will not qualify, means we have to find E complement, that is not Anil and not Ashima, and we'll take the intersection of this. So we have to take this. In this case, at least one of them will not qualify. That is, either E will qualify and F will not qualify, or F will not qualify and E will qualify. This you can say. So we have to find out in the first case, both Anil and Ashima will not qualify. So E not means Anil will not qualify. F dash means Ashima will not qualify. Both of them is not qualifying. That means we have to use intersection. So what about this? E dash is nothing but or not E. F dash is nothing but not E, not F. So we know by De Morgan's law, E intersection F, E complement intersection F complement is E union F complement. The intersection changes to union. And we know this expression. PE union F is equal to PE plus PF minus PE intersection F. Here, P is 0.05 as it is given. PF is also given. This is also given. So PE union F is simply 0.13. But PE intersection E complement intersection F complement is nothing but PE union F complement. So take 0.13 and subtract it from 1. We'll get this. And this is what is required. This is what just found. Okay, this is what we need to find out. So it is 1 minus 0.13, that is 0.87. And next is at least one of them will qualify, just both of them will qualify, that is P E intersection F, you subtract it from 1. So this is how you get the answer. Okay. Next, the event only one of them will qualify. What about this? That is E intersection F dash or E complement intersection F. These two are mutually exclusive. So when you combine them, P or this, either of them, so just combine them, P E intersection F complement plus P E complement intersection F. You can take it as P E minus P intersection F, and this as P F minus P E intersection F. You have to really see this Venn diagram, that this is actually equal to this, and this is actually equal to this. We have learned this in the sets. So just place the value, because all these values, this one, we are aware. So we just place the value and the answer will be 0.11. Next is a committee of 2 persons is to be selected from 2 men and 2 women. So there are 2 men and 2 women. And the committee has only places of 2. So in all, how many people are there? 4. 2 men, 2 women. So we have to choose 2 of them. So in all, how we can select? There are 4 choices and 2 can be selected. So 4C2 is the overall way of selecting 2 values from all the available options. The first is, what is the probability that the committee will have no man? So no man means 2 women are there, and we can select 2 women from 2 in 2C2, that is one way. So this is 1 by 4C2, and you know by now, because we have learned this permutation, combination and binomial. So this is 1 by 6. What about 1 man? So 1 man can be selected, 2C1, and 1 is remaining from women, so we can take 1 from women like this. So 4C2. This will be the answer of second. What about third? 2 men. 2 men means no, 2 men from 2 options. So this will be the answer. This is 2C1 for 1 man and 1 woman, 2 by 3, and 2C2, that is 2 men from 2 options. This is 1 by 6. So this is what we have done today, and we'll be taking the miscellaneous and various other options and the summary of this chapter in the later session. Thank you so much.